flick Ra.One. If you haven't heard about the game yet, then we suggest you pay some serious attention. Ra.One is now a PlayStation game and is the first ever Bollywood game to be out on the console and is going to hit the stands very soon. Davina Munro, our newest technoholic, checked out the Ra.One game launch and makes her debut on the show with Mr. Ra.One himself. Take a look.
Thanks, Radhika. I'm here with Mr. Ra.One himself, Arjun. Arjun, tell us, how does it feel to have a PS character based on you?
I think it's like a dream come true for any actor. I mean, for anybody to have your character out there from a film. And I've played a lot of, you've played the Bourne Ultimatum with Matt Damon as his character, or you've played other video games, and now to have yourself out there, it's a bit surreal, it's a bit crazy, and it's super exciting. And I think it kind of immortalizes you in a way.
All right. And are you an avid gamer yourself?
Yeah, I've only played always on PS, okay? So when the PS came out and the PS2 came out, and then you upgraded to the PS3, and luckily I've been able to do all three. And yeah, they're fantastic. I mean, gaming on them is a totally different experience, especially the PS3. The PS3 version of the Ra.One game is outstanding. It's very real, and yeah, so I love games, yeah.
All right. And what was your experience making the game?
Well, actually, we didn't do much. I think all the designers did a great job in doing that. The nicest part of it was, of this game, is that all the characters have their own voices. So we had to go and dub for it. And that was the first time that I saw the game and saw this character. So there are these roars and these dialogues that these characters speak to each other in the middle of the game, which makes it that much more believable and real, because they're actually the real characters speaking.
All right, gamers clearly have lots to look forward to. Let's go take a better look at the game.
मैं ऐसा गेम बनाऊंगा जिसमें विलन कभी नहीं हारेगा।
Sony PlayStation, in a glitzy event, announced the launch of Ra.One the game for PS2 and PS3. The game, which is the first Bollywood title to appear as a full-cycle PlayStation game, is also the first ever console game by an Indian developer to be carried on the PS platform.
Right from 2007, when we launched in India, 2008 onwards, we started developing games for India market with Indian content. We believe the final frontier of the Indian game development widening will be through Indian content. Ra.One or Ra.One, the game, has been developed with twofold objective. One definitely is to broad base within the Indian mass. Another is provide the first crossover opportunity on the PlayStation 3 platform into the international market.
The game, which acts as a prequel to the Ra.One movie, was storylined and voiced by Shah Rukh himself, and allows gamers to not only adorn the digital avatars of G1 and Ra.One amongst the other 11 key characters from the film, but also discover their different powers as well. It features multiple play modes like the single-player story mode, the brawl mode that allows 2 players in the PS2 version and 4 in the PS3 version, and the challenge mode, which lets you choose a character and then battle some preset challenges. The game showcases different weapons like mine and energy guns, various power-ups like health boost, speed boost and extra lives, and with its customization option in the brawl mode, gamers can tweak different styles of hand-to-hand combat. Ra.One the game will be available for ₹500 for the PS2 version, ₹1000 for the Blu-ray PS3 version, and ₹800 for the PS3 PSN download, while a bundled console will come for ₹5,990. So will this game be a hit with the community, or will it be a miss? Well, we'll just have to wait and find out.
And we're getting